Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun.
Good morning everyone and welcome back to another vlog. So I've got a busy day ahead. Nothing too strenuous, just I've got a lot to do in a short space of time. I'm going to London tomorrow morning super early, so I need to get a lot of shit done today. This morning I've been replying to emails and getting those all done, so I'm really happy that that's all sorted, because that's something like small but something I really wanted to do. It was like in the back of my mind to reply back to emails and stuff. And now I am just about to sort out my face. And by that I mean I just need to do like a proper cleanse of my face. It just feels a bit like grotty, so I'm going to do like a really intense skincare routine. Mainly because I am going to get my eyelashes done today and I don't want her to think that my skin is gross. Yes, if you watched the last vlog you'll know that I'm going to get my eyelashes done for the first time in Lincoln area. Rosie, my hairdresser, recommended her and raves about her, so I was like, right, I'm going to give it a go. She is kind of giving me a discount on my lashes, but I'll obviously give you my honest review afterwards. I'm going to see if I can film a little bit inside, but I'm not actually going to her salon today. I'm going to her house, and she says she doesn't really do many like visits at her house, so I'll see what she's happy with and everything. But yeah, I'm really excited to get my lashes done. I feel so much more confident in myself when I've got my lashes. It requires a lot less effort to make myself presentable when I've got my lashes done. So yeah, I'm just going to make sure all of my mascara is off, because the mascara I'm using at the minute is incredible. It's the Urban Decay Perversion mascara. It's probably my favourite mascara of all time. It works absolute wonders on my lashes. The only problem is it's waterproof, and also my cleanser can barely take it off. So do a little bit of skincare. I'm just using this in the mornings. Using my Garnier Micellar water at the minute. The oil infused one because of my dry skin, and then I'm using Pixie's Glow Tonic as always. I'm using the Body Shop Oils of Life Revitalizing Oil, which is amazing. And then finally I'm using the Glow and Tonic. The brand is called Glow and Tonic Skincare, and their Hydrating Plump Moisturizer. I got this sent to me, but oh my god, it is so heavenly. It reminds me of my Clinique moisturizer. That's my favourite one, that's ran out. So I'm currently using this instead, and it's just as good, like if not better. And I'm sure it's a lot cheaper as well, so yay, skincare. And I'm also using this nanofiber cloth from Bisou. It's honestly incredible, and it's obviously better for the environment too. Right, I'm gonna get ready. Right, so I am almost at the place for my lashes. However, I forgot to bring my camera because I'm an absolute dick. I realised halfway here. I'm really unsure as to where to go. Eek. Right, so I'm just walking home now. Look at my lashes. I'm going to show you these properly when I actually have my camera when I get in. But these are unreal, like best lashes ever. Like I've only ever got my lashes done once. But look at these. I got the hybrid lashes and they just look so incredibly like fluttery, natural, chill, and I just love them. I can't wait to do my makeup and see what they look like with like glam on my face, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I'm just absolutely buzzing. I'm frozen to death walking home. It's literally so cold. At least I've seen a new part of Lincoln, because I literally walked the complete other way, like opposite going to Central like I usually do. But yeah, it's not too far now. God, literally so tired. I almost fell asleep several times. She's been doing it for years and I cannot recommend her enough. She's just such a lovely, chatty person, so kind. So it's starting to rain and now I'm like really panicking about my lashes, because you're not really supposed to get them wet for the first like 24 hours or whatever, so love that for me. I'm gonna be walking home like this, like a twat. Right, so I'm back. I literally feel like a brand new woman. These are unreal. These are absolutely unreal. So if you are looking for lashes in Lincoln, I get this question a lot. this is where you need to go. So this is Charlene's Instagram page. It's called The Perfect Look Beauty, just straight, no spaces, no punctuation. Unreal. Like, I'm so happy with these lashes. She is just an absolute dream. She spent 2 hours putting all of these individually onto every single one of my lashes. Like, she is just so thorough, so chatty, so enjoyable to just sit and chill with. I always worry getting my lashes done because I know that I twitch and like flinch a lot. And I'm worried that I'll just annoy whoever's doing my lashes. But she was so chatty, so chilled. She's actually based in Total FX, which is opposite Casper's in Lincoln. That's where she's actually based. So if you want to get in contact with her, just message her through Instagram and she'll fit you in as soon as she can. But she is like booked in advance, so if you want something done in January, book it now. Book it now rather than later, because she is just very, very well loved in the area and you just need to go check her out. Honestly, amazing. She'll try and fit you in as much as possible. I'm already booked to get my infills done because I was like, oh my god, I can't wait. I'm so excited. And I'm also going to meet her in town in the next couple of days to go grab some foaming cleanser that comes free. So when you pay for your lashes done, I think the hybrid ones that I got are £45. I'm not sure how much infills are, but she suggests getting them done every like 4 weeks roughly if you wanted to like keep them up. But yeah, I've already booked to get my infills because I honestly feel so good in myself when I've got my lashes done. Like, it just makes me feel good. So if I can do it, then I'm gonna, if you know what I mean. Like, I know some people probably wouldn't choose to spend their money on lashes, which is absolutely fine, but I decided to do it because it makes me feel good in myself, if that makes sense. And yeah, I'm just very excited to do like my makeup and just have these lashes on. It's just unreal. Like, I'll try and do a bit of close-up. Sorry, my brows are just really, really gross at the minute. Like, they're really bushy. Sorry about that, but I'm kind of also loving the bushy look for winter, you know, you've got to keep warm and stuff. But yeah, here are my lashes. Look how like just full and curled and just beautiful they are. I'm obsessed. So thank you very much, Charlene. Highly recommend. And now me and Hat are gonna go make some lunch. So the letting agents have just delivered my new chair. Look at this upgrade from this piece of trash. Can't remember if I told you guys, but I actually fell off and I thought I'd broken my coccyx. It literally snapped when I was mid doing my makeup. I wasn't even like leaning on the back and the like screws went up my arse. Like, I had massive bruises on my back. So yeah, I made like a big complaint and they've delivered this new chair finally. So look at that upgrade. Little desk chair glow up here. So living my best life. I'm just gonna do my brows and then head off for my lectures. I'm in 4 till 6. I've got a 2-hour drugs and toxicology lecture. I can't remember what we're doing. Let me have a check. We're doing screening, drug screening, I think, today. Okay, so if you've seen yesterday's vlog, you will know that I ordered these for mine and Carrie's Halloween mask party that we have on Wednesday, tomorrow in London. They've arrived, but they look completely different to the one on the model. So different, it's ridiculous. It's literally a piece of shit, but yeah, kind of a letdown, misguided. But I guess we'll just have to work with it because we literally have no time to get anything different. We just realised it's Tuesday and we forgot to do State Remembrance Day yesterday. So if you're new, every Monday we've decided to do State Remembrance Day, and then we're going to move on to something else that, like, other useless knowledge.
No, we just keep doing it.
Oh no, we're going to get 50 now. So oh, we've got 50. We're going to get 50 today. You wait. Alabama,
Arkansas,
and Arizona.
Brilliant. We're off to a good start. Keep it up. Wait, I'm going to put a 10-minute timer on.
Okay, yeah, 10
Oh
minutes.
my god, what the hell? Because
like,
no, that's taking it too far. This is like the 3rd time we've done it. I'm just doing it.
Have you done it?
Okay,
Okay, cool.
well.
B, there's none. Connecticut.
California.
The North and South Carolina.
What?
Okay, M is where we hit hard. M's got 8.
Maine. 8. Jesus.
I'm sure it's 8. Massachusetts.
Michigan. Minnesota.
Missouri.
Wisconsin.
Washington. West Virginia, Virginia. West Virginia. It says West Virginia and Virginia. They're 2 separate states.
Oh, that's what. Oh, yeah.
1. That's really fucking me up now. I've got it.
What is it?
Wyoming.
5.
Yay!
We have
have to. We do it as a 3. So now we need to be able to do it on our own.
No, we just keep doing this for a bit, then we do it on our own.
Yeah, and then we do a race.
No, I don't like that.
I knew that was going to cause an uproar.
Yes!
What did you title it?
US state.
Wyoming.
Yay.
Bloody Wyoming.
You actually hate us.
A day late as well.
And we just got too excited at the end, otherwise everything else is in alphabetical order. Oh my god, I knew, I was like, we haven't fucked it.
That's such a relief.
I was like, we seriously haven't fucked it anywhere else, it's got to be at the end. We should do a snuggle video one time when we're all snuggled in bed, aren't we?
And just all of us
Yeah,
sleeping.
we're all snuggled in bed drinking
See
hot
fall
chocky
asleep
and
first.
answering cute questions about Vermont.
I've never been.
So I'm just about to pack my bag. I've literally got everything that I want to take in here. I just need to actually pack it accordingly because right now it's an absolute mess, so. My housemate saves the day.
No, not yourself.
No. So
It's really hot in here.
here it is. Meg saved the day because I've just rammed loads of my shit and I still have a couple more things to put into my suitcase. And this is massive in itself, really, for like one night.
Yeah.
This is the case Megan brought to bring all of her uni clothes in, and I'm gonna transfer it all over. But look how pretty it is. Meg got it from Primark, and it's so pretty.
It's like £35.
That's insane for that size
And
case.
it's it as well. That's like a proper.
Yeah,
good,
it is.
A good luggage brand.
Yeah, I always see that on eBay when I look for
Yeah.
like good suitcases. So I'm just about to transfer all over. Lol. Right, so I am just about to head to bed. I finally got all my stuff sorted, I think. I'm really nervous that I'm not going to wake up in the morning for the train because I've got like a specific time rather than like a open return or an off-peak return or whatever. So yeah, I'm going to get off to bed before I sleep through all my alarms. I hate myself forever because my train ticket is still £50 even with a rail card to get to London. This is why I don't see my boyfriend as often as I want to, because £50 is like the minimum usually to go to London and back from Lincoln, which is crazy. So yeah, thank you very much for watching today's vlog. I've got some really exciting stuff coming for the rest of the week, so make sure you stick around and I will see you very soon for the next one. Bye.